My alter ego. Hello, I'm the superhero Annie Kurapts. I hate Kurapts and I want to take them down using my superpowers. I have reduced corruption levels. I overcome millions of Kurapts. I have traveled all the countries of the world fighting the corruption. The saddest thing I've seen in my travel was in Africa. In Colombia, I defeated Toussaint Corrupt in 2 days. In Canada, they made a monument in my honor for having freed them from corruption. I haven't them bribe me. I might tag you someday to fight corruption. Thank you.